Amy's gonna be so mad.
Lily, have you seen my colored pencils?
Yeah, right here.
Wow, thank you, Lily. I love it.
Man, I need to fix the earring. Huh? Oh, I need new earrings. Now I don't need this one anymore. Ugh, I'm out of nail polish. How am I gonna finish my nails? Not bad. Oh my gosh, my earring! Ugh, I need new earrings to go out. Oh man, my makeup's ruined. The brush is too big. Perfect. I can never get this right. How am I gonna go out looking like this? Much better.
Hi everyone! If you like our hacks such as egg earrings, colored pencil charm bracelet, fake nail earrings, and dental floss eyeliner,
Please remember to subscribe to our channel.
give a big thumbs up and comment below.
See you in the next video. Bye!